So with all the W's from OnePlus, Google's gonna hit a home run with their Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Samsung has not been in the news much, for good reason. They haven't been hitting home runs as these other companies have. So because of that, Samsung has kind of been taking a backseat to every other company, and they're very much success. Well, here's our first Samsung W in a while. Samsung has filed a patent, and it's very possible this ends up being on the Z Fold 7. And it's going to make the inside display even more durable, even more protected. And that, honestly, I feel like we're at a point now where there are still people who won't buy a Z Fold device or a foldable phone device because the inside display they believe it's going to break or it's just not durable enough. It has problems. I feel like we're less there than we were way back in the day, just because it got a little bit better. But still, we're still kind of there. But this new patent includes a protective film, a impact resistant layer, a light shielding layer. The impact resistant layer contains a polymer material which improves the general strength, makes it thicker, also improves the durability. Manufacturing process can be simple by first forming the light shielding layer on the protective film, then directly coating the impact resistant layer containing the polymer material on top. Which, again, with all the L's I feel like lately Samsung's been taking in the foldable phone industry, this is a big W. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't know how much is going to compete versus like the OnePlus Open 2 that we now know will have a macro lens that has the biggest battery possible. It's one of the thinnest foldable cell phones. It is literally waterproof. It has wireless charging. Like, there's a lot of W's there. Then the Google 10 Pro Fold is going to, have the Tensor G5 chip, which is a completely new chipset, and it's going to be crazy powerful. But everyone had to start somewhere. And I have been saying on the channel, and I'll kind of reiterate this point, the Z Fold 7 is not the upgrade. Z Fold 7, a lot of people are waiting for. That's not the phone to buy, folks. The Z Fold 7 is just the 6th special edition rebranded. Don't buy the Z Fold 7. The phone you want to buy, the phone you should be interested in, is the Z Fold 8. The Z Fold 8 is the home run hit. The Z Fold 8 is what's going to have all these perfections on it. It's possible the Z Fold 7 has this on it, but it's also possible it doesn't, because the phone comes out in 5 or 6 months. Roughly around 6.5 months, actually. And it's probably not going to have it on here. I'm saying probably, I'm saying it might, it's saying it might not, because we don't know. Right? But usually Samsung, there is a certain amount of time they have to get the production, done and get the units out. Obviously, we know they're going to, halt back on production. They're releasing less phones or making less phones to try to keep up with the less demand of these phones. But yeah, no, Z Fold 8 is the home run hit, guys. And right now with tariffs and also production being slower, we don't know what's going to happen in that aspect. But we do know is Z Fold 8, a year down the line, things will be a lot better. So I'd wait, right, and take all this stuff, great, awesome. And if you want an affordable phone right now, I will 100% will say OnePlus Open 2 or the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Do not buy the Z Fold 7. Do not buy it. It's just not going to be worth it. It's not going to be. And I usually am like, let's wait to see. No, there's right now, even without knowing the confirmed specs, what I'm seeing out of OnePlus Open 2 and out of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, there's no way Samsung is even going to compete with that. And right now, this year, Samsung came out with a statement saying they're trying to diversify their lineup, which really people are thinking, oh, well, does that mean we're going to get a cheap affordable phone? No, we're not going to get a cheap affordable phone. What they mean by that is they're releasing a tri-affordable phone. A lot of people got confused by that statement. They're trying to diversify their lineup. They're trying to diversify it by releasing a tri-affordable phone that isn't available in America and only available in South Korea and China. So just keep that in mind when they say diversify their lineup. What they mean is they're going to add a new tri-affordable phone to the lineup. Wait till the Z Fold 8. Don't do it now. Don't pull the trigger. Don't go for the Z Fold 7. It's not going to be worth it, and you're going to regret it when the Z Fold 8 comes out. Peace out, guys.